Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am playing Flood Escape 2 and I am here with Bailey Boo Plays.
Hello everyone.
You ready to play?
Yep.
Okay, are you in the map?
No.
Yeah. I'm
Never
not
said
either.
that.
Yeah, I'm not in the map either. Oh, we both.
I
Wait.
have a shrinky. I have a shrink tiny head.
Okay.
Look alike.
Fallen is pretty hard. I'm gonna do Graveyard Cliffside.
Oh, and guys, also make sure to subscribe to the Colin31's channel and mine if you want to. No, are you kidding me?
Did you jump
I
off
don't know the rope. I don't know the rope you have to go on. Are you kidding me? I haven't played this game like so long. And whatever.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
It was like a zip line.
I'm going under. Oh my god. Where are you?
Wait, are you still alive?
No. Where are you? Where are you? I have to try something. It's so cool.
I think I saved
I didn't
someone.
know this.
Oh, I saved someone.
I don't know this. So cool. Wow. That's cool. I didn't know you can duck in this game. I think that's like something new. I don't know. That's where I died last time. Probably.
Wait, duck?
Yeah, it's control.
I didn't know that.
I'm just keep clicking duck. It's like not working. Wait, duck. Duck. I'm a duck. Quack, quack.
No! Okay. Well, I died.
Yeah, you did. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna spectate. I'll spectate this guy. I didn't want to do this map because this map is... Look at the Blast 153 guy.
Do Crystal Canyon. Lava Tower is so hard for me. I don't get it. Oh, are you kidding me?
Yeah, this one is pretty hard. Wait, what? Oh, I forgot. Control. Wait, that's a new one. Oh my god. That's a new update.
Please. I don't know where to go. Like, everyone's just like, blah, blah, blah. Let's go this way. Let's go that way. I don't know where to go at all, guys.
This one's pretty hard.
I think you go here. And then here, maybe. No, I went the wrong way. Oh my god. I went the wrong way. No. How did I do that? How did I go the wrong way? No, I'm gonna die. Yep, I died. I went the wrong way. Oh, I went the wrong way.
Yeah, I went the wrong way too.
I died from the wrong way though. That's something.
Yeah, I was like, wait, why isn't it letting me up? And I was like,
go to the infiltration, however you say that. I think like everyone died.
I don't know. I think I was the last one.
That way, don't go that way. Yeah, I saw that. Yo, this is so hard. I can't do this. I can do this. Oh my god. Well, that went good. Maybe.
No. I jumped too early.
Probably.
7,
You always
9.
jump too early.
Yeah, and you died before me. We were the only one who died.
Yeah. You're right. I'm really just coloring.
Coloring what?
I don't know. I'm waiting. I'm just doing my little thing.
A lot of people are dying. Corey
oh yeah,
boy.
that's not good.
Yeah. Look. Look. He's like halfway in and halfway out. That's. Wait, what? Oh, I don't want to spectate anymore. Okay, there we go.
I don't know if it's me or
Wait, what map? Do Wild
you
Savannah.
can vote. Oh, vote Wild whatever it's called.
Savannah.
Didn't have that much time to say it because I'm bored. Oh my god, I don't want to dance. Okay.
Oh, I wanted to do the zip line. Come on.
And I could have done the zip line.
Did you do the zip
I
line?
decided not to. And dude, I just died again. I don't get it.
Wait, what'd you die from?
I'm so
Did you die from like
dead.
where you had to jump on the wall and then like jump to the ladder?
I died from acid. Whatever
Yeah,
it's
so
called.
did I.
Acid, yeah.
Yeah. Flood Escape is pretty hard. Well, Flood Escape 2 is pretty
He
hard, but
will link
Flood
the
Escape
game
1
in the
is
description.
easier.
He will link the game in the description if you
Would like to play it.
want to play it. I think you will. Right? Yeah, he
Yeah.
will.
And I will link her YouTube channel in the description too. So go check her channel out. Okay.
Dude, I'm so bored. I keep dying, and I'm now getting really bored from it because I died.
Yeah, like they should bring you to just like a practice one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh, Desperate Seas is pretty
I
easy.
don't know. No, I didn't get to vote in that.
Desperate
I
Seas
didn't
is
get to
pretty
vote.
easy.
I did not get to vote.
I got to vote.
How do I?
I'm just gonna wait here.
How do I sink down? Is it control? What is it?
I think it's shift.
I think.
I don't know, but someone hit that up
It
there.
might be enter. I don't know.
Thank you.
Oh, this one don't have to sink down. Just drop down. I forgot.
Yeah. No.
Okay, I think. Oh my god, how did that person get up there? How did he get up there? That's impossible. Let's come on. Whatever.
It's not impossible.
To me, it is. Okay. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Doing great now. I just want to read some. And I have to get back here. Oh my god, what am I doing?
First one in.
I'm gonna not make it because I'm gonna be the last one in. I'm gonna die. Hopefully not. Yeah, I made it. Now it's now time for me to finish coloring.
Well, we made it this time. Oh,
Oh no! Oh wait, no, it doesn't
Graveyard.
kill you.
Graveyard. Do graveyard.
Okay,
What
I
side?
voted that, so
Graveyard.
very good.
Dude.
I
This
voted
one's
it.
pretty
Are you
hard.
mad at me or something?
This one's pretty hard.
What do I think what I'm doing?
Did you die already?
No, maybe no, I didn't. I promise.
I probably said I
Never mind.
probably would have said that and then I just died.
And I did too.
So you did die.
Yeah, but just now.
Oh.
I kind of didn't.
Yeah, I'm not touching up there, so. Come on, open it. Open it, open it, open it. Okay, open. Oh no.
Oh,
How'd that guy do that?
I'm literally just spectating.
Oh, you're supposed to jump on that box. I thought I could jump on the sign.
Wait, I thought you died, huh? I thought you died.
I just
what's
died.
wrong?
I just died right now.
Okay, good. Yeah, funny.
I thought you could jump on the sign.
You did?
Yeah,
I wish you could.
but it was like I couldn't jump through it. It was like it was invisible, but I could still see it. It's like I just went right through it. Look, 3/10. Look, Sedimentary Temple 3/10 and hard 3.13. That's pretty close. Do Desperate Seas.
It's time for my mic to have a fit. Because I do not like Desperate Seas, even though I voted it.
No. Okay, this one's next.
Me and this other girl are literally AFK. Well, I'm not, but I'm pretending. That way, I would be happy. I love being happy.
Come on, go. I just saw. Oh, I need to get that person.
Too late, because I also did.
No, but we all could get him.
Oh wait, yeah, I didn't know that.
No, I just made myself die probably.
And up here.
No, I didn't. Yes. Come on.
I'm doing. Okay.
Oh, now it's acid.
Oh my god, no. Acid is so bad.
Well,
Acid
lava
is
is worse.
True, lava just kills you in one shot. That's
Yeah.
what I hate about lava.
Come on.
Here, I saved my person and I got extra mun.
I don't think it gives you extra mun.
It gives you extra
And
XP.
also it's
That's
money.
even what it is.
Why do you call it
Cool.
mun?
Because mun is better.
Mun.
Mun.
Money. It should be money instead of mun.
And ready. Right when it reaches me, I'm gonna go in. 3, 2, go! Yes.
I'm not in.
Sunken Citadel, whatever that is. Citadel. Citadel.
That has a lot of
whatever.
colors in it.
What?
This one had a lot of colors in it.
Yeah, probably. Oh my god, everyone just got lagged and like, I don't know.
Wait, did you die already?
Maybe. No, I did not die. Why is it so hard?
You died, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
You obviously did. Hey, where do I go? Where do I go?
I don't know.
Oh, and it appears late.
It appeared late.
No. Isn't that just great?
I know, right?
You died.
No, I didn't.
You're right on the tail.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. You don't see me. Oh, okay. No, I did not die.
Okay, guys. Well,
try and find me.
Wait, what?
Oh, what?
Where are you? Okay, but guys,
I don't know.
that's it for the video, guys.